up? DCS is right back again. So it has really been a very long week, guys. So over here, I have a car. It's a very different car, like it's from a different brand. You might be asking, hey Daman, where is the Hot Wheel? Where is the RC car? Or where's the Kinsmart? Guys, I just thought that making a lot of, the same brand cars might be a little boring. So I just switch brands. So this car right here is from Pocket Auto. So yep, it's quite similar to the Hot Wheel, but in a bit larger size, and it's much more detailed. So yep, guys, this car over here is a Toyota AE86, guys. So whenever I say the word AE86, you might remember only one anime series. That's the Initial D, guys. It's almost my personal favorite series. Like, I really love that anime. It's so cool, guys. Like, it's a story about a guy who, like, a tofu shop owner's son drives this Toyota AE86 around the mountain, and he races all the other people no matter what car they have got. He just does his style and then wins the race. So it's a really interesting episode. You guys have to watch that. So yep, I can't say more. So going up to today's car over here, guys, why don't we first unbox it and take a close look on this car, like how the Pocket Auto has designed it, and then we'll go for the information about the AE86. So let's get going with it. Okay guys, so here I've unboxed the car. Sorry for the low light. I just thought that you guys can take a much proper look, like in a much detailed way. So yep, guys, going up to the car, it's a really good car. Like comparing to the quality, it's really nice, but it lacks a bit of detailing. Like, according to its size, it should have had the turn indicators, and of course the pop-up headlamps aren't so nicely detailed, but the hood is quite good. And yup, going up to the sides, guys, there's a good stock wheels. Like, they're looking really pretty good, and they have rubber tires, which is really nice attention to detail. And yup, going up to the interior, guys, it's quite lush brownish type. It's really nice. And if you go to the rear, there's not much of it. There's just a paint strap of rear lights, not much. You can't even see the exhaust. And yep, there's no name at the bottom. Like, there's no name, just plain black. And yep, guys, you've got the sunroof, quite nice detail, and you've got the Fujiwara Tofu Shop kind of a writing on the door side. So it's of course from the Initial D series car. So it's really nice. It's a really amazing car. Like, I can't describe more about its detailing. Well, then let's go for the information, guys. So yup, here it comes. Okay guys, so coming up to the information about the Toyota AE86, the JDM legend right here. Why don't we start off with the production, guys? The production actually began in 1983 and Sally ended up in 1987. Well, can't help with that. So coming up to the body style, guys, the body style is actually a two-door coupe, well known. And the engine, guys, coming up to the engine is actually a 1.6 liter dual overhead cam, straight four cylinder, guys. So it's also rear wheel drive, and it's also called as the 4AGE. Well, good. And talking about the transmission, guys, the transmission of this car is a 5-speed manual, or you can go to a 4-speed auto, which most of the people don't prefer. Well, coming up to the horsepower, guys, the horsepower of this car is 128 brake horsepower, which is good at that time. Well, talking about the length, guys, the length of this car is 4,210 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the width of this car is 1,630 in millimeters, guys. Talking about the 0 to 60 time, yup, it does it in 8.7 seconds, which is quite not so very good. Well, talking about the top speed, guys, the top speed of this car is 180 kilometers per hour. That's 112 miles per hour. Well, going up to the price, major people, get up here. The price of this car is 15 grand and above. Like, it'll go up to 20 grand if you want it in a good shape. Well, guys, as I've completed the specs and all the information about this car, why don't we go to the special facts right away? So yup, oh, this is quite a big one. So yup, the code. So here it tells that the code AE86 stands for, like, it means the A stands for the engine, which is the 4A, as I told, and the E is actually called the Corolla series, and the 8 is actually a 5th generation, which is the EA, and the 6 stands for the variant in the generation. in that particular generation, which is quite interestingly done by the Toyota. It's really nice, like the code type car. It's really nice. Well, yep guys, as I've ended up the information right here, you know what to do if you're new, and to all those old subscribers right there, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys. So next week, I'm just planning to make a kind of like the introduction. Like, as I started YouTube, I didn't introduce myself very well, like why I want to do about cars and all those stuff. So I probably might be doing the introduction video probably next week. So yep, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys. So enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.